today takes your time, your effort, and the resource of you bringing out your sports car to make a difference in these young warriors' lives. And that's what Ride2Revive is all about.
That's what I'm talking about! Yes or no? Yes? We know that one.
Man, I've been coming here for 3 years. This has been a great experience. This is my 3rd year coming, and this event is just the best I've been dealing with a lot lately, and this event really just takes my mind off of all those hard times and helps me think about the positive instead of the negative.
I loved it. It's very fun. I went to a green SUV Lamborghini. Very nice.
We just love coming here. We do it every year. This is the first year here at Concours Club. We got a car on Friday just so we could race it today.
Oh, it's great. It's so nice. The kids are so excited and happy, and you can see it in their faces that they're like, wow, it's great. I love it.
So excited. Today's one of my favorite events for the year. I mean, think about this. You have so many people in the automotive car community that have come out wanting to be a part of this, took time on their Sunday from their families, with their siblings, with their children, and brought out these pieces of performing art, these supercars, which, you know, the whole basis of what Ride2Revive is that these supercars have super healing powers. And I mean by that is that there's so much young youth that loves sports cars, loves the exotics, and want to get into a setting like this at the racetrack, feel some of this horsepower, experience some of these sports cars, get to meet other like-minded children that could be potentially going through some of these life-threatening illnesses and disease. And this is a day that we can forget about all that, and our little warriors can be together and become race car drivers for the day.